we're going to go ahead and get ahead of ourselves a little bit. Put the shower scutcheon on over the shower valve. And this is just a finish piece that everybody has in their shower. Okay, now this is just the nut that holds it in place. You want to put it on nice and tight. And now it's nice and tight against our shower wall, and that will keep the water from the shower head and splashing off the body. It'll keep it out from behind the wall. Now we get that on. We can also put on the shower knob. We've got a little O-ring washer here that goes here, and there's a little lip on this ring here that I'm going to put that in, and I believe it's there to help keep water from getting in around the ring here. Now we will put our faucet on. Now we're just putting the screw in and attaching the faucet handle. Alright, now we've put the handle on. Alright, this is just a little plug that covers up the screw. And there's a little lip there. And that is in.